Alrighty, y'all. Are y'all ready for the big reveal? Here we go. Everybody, hope everybody's doing well. So y'all know I enjoy my pigs, so got one right here and we'll go through the tour of looking at my pigs. So I got my welcome mat as well. If y'all seen it, I did it in a post, a community post. Then I have my pig that's on my smoker. See my big old pig, and then I've got another one that y'all haven't seen, so let's check it out. So boom, there we go. That's my bath mat in the bathroom there. So y'all know I enjoy my pigs, so I got something the other day that's a little something I had made. I thought it'd be funny, and it turned out really, really good, so I'll let y'all check it out here. So there we go, there it is. So you can see the head to tail barbecue pig and cooking, and it's got the pig there. So I'm gonna get it and put it on my door, but my door is black, if y'all have seen it before, so I'm gonna have to do little changes to it. So I've got a plastic kind of cutting board that I got, and what I'll do is put this on here, trace it out, and then I'll cut it out, and then I'll use the Gorilla Tape to get it stuck on there. So I'll get y'all set up, and I'll go through getting it all done. So I'll see y'all in a second. And I almost forgot that pig as well that my sister got me. So I got a collection of pigs. Alrighty, I got it set where I need to have it set, I think. So now it's just going to be tracing it around, so I'll know where to cut with my scissors. And there we go, got it traced out. So see the outline there. And now it's just going to be cutting this out, and then we can start getting that double stick tape on there. It's cutting pretty good. Just trying to get some of the big out of the way right now. We can go from there. And there we go. Got the cutout for the pig. Perfect. Looks good. So now got that. We gotta get this flipped over, and then we'll start getting the glue on there, the double stick glue, good old Gorilla Glue. Stuck on there, and now we just got to find the end. There is the end. So get it, run it off about that whole length there, like a pound per 4 inches, I believe is what it said. Get that cut, then we'll stick it maybe right here. Get it kind of sticking one side and then run to the other. That way you're getting out any bubbles, and then I'll press it down good. There we go. Press down good. And then I gotta put on maybe a few more spots. I'm thinking maybe a little bit on the ear and a little bit on the ear. So get those in there. There we go. go. So there we go. So we got a piece on each ear right there under his chin and then all the way across the bottom. So now let me get that peeled off. And we'll get that stuck on to here. Off getting this last big one off. I found the easiest way kind of to get it off is get a knife and kind of get up under it and pick up, because I don't have the best fingernails. And there we go. Peel it on off. So now we gotta get it stuck on here semi-straight. So see if we can do that, line it up a little bit. Right at the bottom looks like. Oh, maybe that's not right. Right there. There we go. Press it on there for a while. Hold it. And that should get it. I'm gonna trim up a little bit more spots and I'll get back with y'all when I'm got it on the door. So see y'all in a second. Well, alrighty y'all, are y'all ready for the big reveal? Here we go. And boom. It looks good. It's funny. Got it cut in outline there. Got the stickers on the back. That way it kind of sticks out more than just black on black there. That little nice black and white contrast. So shut the door so y'all can see it from out here. So you greeted all with pigs when you place them. It's just a fun little video for y'all, a little project of getting that done for me and for y'all too, because it's funny. So easy. I just got the cutting board, the small thin plastic cutting board, outlined, traced it on there, cut it out, then got the double stick tape, back of the sign, stuck it on there, back of the cutting board, cleaned off the door really well, stuck it to it, and there we go. So hope y'all enjoyed it. I enjoyed it because it's a fun little project. So y'all like, share, and subscribe if you want to, if you haven't already. When you do, you're welcome on into the Head to Tail family there. And we'll love you and welcome on in. So thank y'all again. And I'll catch y'all on the next one.